Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer income with Stripe easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring income with Stripe, log in to your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Payments section on the left-hand menu. In the Payments section, you will see a list of recent transactions. Identify the transaction you want to transfer funds from. Click on that transaction to open its details. In the transaction details, look for the option to transfer funds. Click on the Transfer button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Input the specific amount you want to withdraw from your available balance. Next, choose the bank account you would like the funds transferred to. If you don't have a bank account linked, you will need to add one at this point. Follow the prompts to link your bank account if necessary. Once your bank account is selected, review all details for accuracy. Confirm the transfer by clicking the Confirm button. After confirmation, you will see a notification that your transfer is in progress. Transfers typically take 2 to 7 business days to complete. To track the status of your transfer, return to the dashboard. In the Payouts section, you can monitor the progress of your transfer. Make sure to check your bank account for the funds once the transfer is completed. That concludes the process of transferring income with Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.